boys and girls, and welcome to Growing Guitar. A great song here from RUSS. It's called Fatima. So it's based upon 3 different chords, and he released a couple songs here lately. If we want to play them on guitar, can right now mention you need a capo and set it on the 7th fret, guys. I've done a couple of these now, and 7th frets with the capo, this is where it goes from. And yeah, this is not exception from that. Fatima, a great song. We have 3 different chords. That's the base for the song, and then we'll look at the different notes to pick from the chords. But yeah, let's start with the chords like we usually do. Capo on 7th, and we will have A minor, the F major 7, and the E7. A minor first, that is open A, 2nd D, 2nd G, 1st B, and open E. The F major is 3rd on D, 2nd on G, 1st B, and open E. And the E7 is open E, 2nd A, open D, 1st G, and then we add 3rd B to this one. Not always, but this time we'll have the 3rd B and then open E. All right, so we'll take a look first at just plain strumming and have that as a base. So you're gonna play a strumming pattern that needs to be divided into 2 different parts, all right? So A minor, this is the chord where you play the full pattern here. So we'll start with that one. 1 full round of the strumming goes like this. All right, so the first part is down, down, clap, down. Down, down, clap, down. And the second part, you have a short pause in between these parts. And the second part starts down, clap, down. That's it. So if we connect these, it will be down, down, clap, down, down, clap, down. So. A couple rounds of it goes. So we're ready for the actual song. You're gonna play A minor, 1 full round, then F major 7, part 1, and E7, part 1 again. So that will be... You can do like that from the beginning till the very end, but if you want to take it up a little bit to a next level part, you can actually bring in some notes to this one. So I'm going to give you examples of what you can play. If you listen to the song, it varies a lot. So to have some options here is great. Let's start with the A minor part here. This is pretty much the A minor where it differs a little bit. The F major and E goes pretty much in the same way mostly here, but A minor, the starting point, is where it happens. So one way to play this is just these 3 notes, and that is open A, then open E, and 3rd B, and the pause there, all right? So you could play these notes on the first half of the strumming, and then when you play these notes, you can play strumming part 2, the down, clap, down. So it will sound like this. Okay, so. And then the next chord. That is one way to play it. Another way is to play... You have the same starting point here in the open A, but then you slide up here, and let's see what it will be. It will be the 7th fret on the E string, and then down to the 3rd E string. That is also used in this song a lot. So when it comes to strumming late after that, right after, it's very hard to go back to full A minor there. It will be very stressful. So when it comes to strumming, you just keep the motion going there. You hit some strings, and it's mostly the rhythm we're after now, not the actual notes and sound from the chord. Of course, it's better if you have the real chord. That's always the better scenario there, but you don't have time, so you just strum on the last strings or so. So it will be, you see, something happens, and that's the main thing here. So anyway, that is your A minor part. And moving on here to the F major, it will be, you can play these 3 notes, and that is from the chord actually. So 3rd on D, 2nd on G, and open E. You can play like that. And I pretty much stay with that. You don't have to do that much more than that. To have that with you, you can always play notes from a chord and it will sound great. And that is pretty much what I want to say with this. We have different alternatives here, and we can learn specific notes, but if you play notes from the chord, it will sound great anyway. And that is pretty much what is done in this song. And go back and forth with different patterns and notes, and it's based upon the chords, and that's the main thing here. And just give you different examples with that said. So 3rd D, 2nd G, and open E. And then we have the final E7 chord here, and this is played a lot, this part which goes, and that is open E, 1st G, 3rd B, this is from the chord, and then comes this 3rd E, 1st E, open E, then 3rd B, and 1st B. So if you want to play all these notes, you don't have time for any strumming here. It will be a lot, so play around a little bit with it, and that is pretty much RUSS Fatima. So yeah, great song, give it a try, and until next time, play tuned.